Very early good morning to guys who are watching Life of Cheeky. Today is 2nd of September. 2nd of September, Saturday early morning. Now the moment of truth that we are leaving to Ladakh. So we are heading to Ladakh right now, and I'm leaving from my house at 1:32 p.m. It's 1:32 a.m. Sorry. Yeah, now we are going to meet my friends or fellow riders who's there near ST Mall. So let's go and catch them. Yeah. So I'll talk to you while going. All right. See ya. Take care. ಇಲ್ಲವರು ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಫೋನ್ ಸರಿ ಬಲ್ಲ ಓಂ ಗಂ ಗಣಪತಿ ನಮಃ. Alright, as I was saying that we are finally heading to Ladakh. So today is the day first. We are leaving from Bangalore, and we will be reaching the first stop would be in Nagpur. We're going to stay a day in Nagpur. So the Nagpur is around 1092 kilometers from Bangalore. So we are doing in a day's time. We're doing in a day's time right now. We're doing a day's time. I can't show you anything right now because it's almost a night. The plan is to reach Nagpur by 4 o'clock and take a rest because we don't have any sleep right now. You know that we are leaving by 1 o'clock, and I couldn't sleep yesterday whole night because of some work, and the ride anxiety was there, so I couldn't sleep. But yes, now we are finally going, and pretty much excited that we are leaving now on time. I'll reach ST Mall within 2 o'clock. I don't have anything much to say. that now we're leaving by 1 o'clock. It'll be all night. So I will meet you guys once I reach my friends, So once I reach my friends, I'll just give a little introduction, and then we'll do a flag off, and yeah, we'll hit the roads. And once there's a sun awake, and I will contact you guys, and I'll ping you guys. Yeah. Until then, take care. Hey guys, it's just a pit stop. We have reached Anandpur at 4:30, and we had just had Irani chai, which was available here. We had a chai and the samosa, which was good. So you can see these are the tigers for today. This is my tiger, and this is the 800 XCS of Chetan, and that is of Ajay. Hey, I don't think so that you guys can see, and his name is Krishnamurthy. He got a new Tiger Rally Pro, and he's heading towards Hyderabad with his friend because he is gonna pick up versus 650. Just a quick pit stop, and the next stop would be around after 150 to 160 kilometers in Kurnool. So bikes are all packed, bikes are all heavy packed, and yeah, we're hitting 100 kilometers per hour. So we did 200 kilometers in 2 hours. We left Bengaluru by 2:15, and by 4:20 we were here in Kurnool. So it's pretty quick. Yeah, roads are good. We should see how the roads are while going to be. So this is the update right now from Kurnool, from Anandpur, and I shall see you guys in a bit. Alright, so until then, keep watching, like and subscribe to my channel Life of Cheeky. We are going on a big ride to Ladakh. Alright, yeah, I'll just see you in a bit. Back to Life of Cheeky. Now we are almost near Kurnool, and another 244 kilometers for the Hyderabad. So we have taken 2 pit stops. One is for a tea, another one is for again a tea. We left Bangalore by 2:15, and we have almost covered 320 kilometers, including the breaks. So we have a plan of reaching the Hyderabad within 9 o'clock, including the break right now, which we're going to take in Kurnool. So it's a beautiful morning, cloudy, temperature is not that bad, everything looks fine, roads are good. So hopefully we reach Hyderabad within, we won't reach Hyderabad, we are taking the deviation before the Hyderabad. So we're taking deviation before the Hyderabad, and try to avoid the city route. Yeah, let's see. The tentative time what it's showing to reach Nagpur is around 13 hours. The Google will take around 60 km per hour as an average, but yeah, we should reach earlier than what the timings which is showing right now. So it will be around at 8:30, but we plan to reach by 4 or maximum 5. So let's see how that goes. How are we gonna ride? So my riders are just behind me. Hey, Indian naai barta ide. Hello? Hump ide, humpo. Jai Bajrangbali. So roads are good, no problem at the roads. But a lot of trucks on the road right now, so hopefully they should clear the route by 8 o'clock, so they will not enter the city. But yeah, so this is the right update right now. We are on the way to Kurnool. We're gonna have a breakfast in Kurnool. Opposite gari barta ide, Tata Sumo. So beautiful morning, weather is good, no rain. We were actually expected some rain to come in, but there was no rain. So we should hit, or I hope the climate is like this until we reach Nagpur. I don't know how is in Nagpur. Gandu kudina na magane. So enjoy the view. Until then, these fuckers are coming in the way. Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back again. And we had stopped for a lunch break here, and the place name is Mana Inti Bhojanam, and the food was okay. Not that bad or not that good, but yes, it was fine. So the main thing is that we got an AC room to beat the heat. Yeah, it's too much of humid. You can see we all got exhausted because of the heat, but yes, it's a part of the ride and we enjoy that. We took about an hour of time, 60 minutes of the break, and now we are heading back on the road, and we're going back on to Nagpur, and we're taking the route of the same which we have seen this highway. So this is the place, Mana Inti Bhojanam, and I don't know where it is, but to be honestly, that it's on the same way where you have IIT Hyderabad. You know, it's a new place, but yeah, I would recommend this place if anybody wants to come here. Yes, you can have this place to have veg and non-veg food. Both will be available here. Alright, having said that, let's go and hit the road, and we have to reach Nagpur by 8 o'clock. It's showing 11 o'clock, but yes, we have to hit and reach by 11 is what, by 8 is what we are thinking of. So a lot of rides to do now, a lot of kilometers to munch or to cover. So without further delay, let's start the ride. Hello guys, welcome back again. We are still in Andhra Pradesh or Telangana, and we have 320 kilometers left to reach our destination for the day one. So we have taken a lot of breaks, you know, the long lunch break and everything. So that is the reason, you know, it's showing that we will reach by 9 o'clock. Yeah, so we are taking a break once in 200 kilometers or 2 hours, whichever is earlier. That's all the ride updates right now, and yeah, I'm very happy to take my bike to Leh and Ladakh. I know it's a big bike. A lot of people will not like to take the big bike on this kind of a trip, but yes, I wanted to take it and with my fellow riders. So it's like one of the dream come true. And one more thing is that this is the first this is the first Triumph Tiger Rally Explorer from South India going to Leh and Ladakh. So I know Junaid bhai have taken two, but it was a GT Pro, I believe, and it's a sponsored one. It's not the own one, but the own one. This would be the first one from the Bangalore, or I would say from the South India. I don't know if I may be wrong, but you know, this is what I think. Yeah. So other than that, everything is pleasant. So ride is going as per the plan. So we are hitting the destinations as per the plan. I know it's a bit delayed, but yeah, we are doing it very well. Oh fuck, it's so cloudy, become so dark. Hey Gube, hey Sayake bartira. Other than that, there's nothing much to update. I think it's gonna rain. Yeah, it will rain. So it started rain. I hope so. Or is it the dust? Oh, it's a dust. Oh my god. Oh, I think, yeah, I have my visor on.